Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be going through all my new watercolor things and making some swatches. Alright, so first, let's start by getting everything out of this cellophane packaging. It comes in a
01, 02, 03, 04, 07, and 10 size.
Next is this Master Touch watercolor brush pen set, the Field Artist rectangular watercolor journal, sorry. It's cold press, 200 GSM, 140 pounds. It's 4 by 6.5 inches, acid free, 100% recycled paper. What? With an 80 pages with a bonus 4-panel panorama. What is that? Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. I don't know if this is a real leather cover. I think it's a faux leather, but it feels so nice. Okay, so Field Artist. So it's watercolor paper, and apparently this is a panorama on the back. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at how far this folds out. Look at that. It's so big. What would you paint on that? Oh my gosh. Comment down below if you know what you would paint on something like this. That's awesome. I didn't even know that was in there. And finally, we have the Koi Watercolor Pocket Field Sketch Box. It contains 48 colors. They're half pans in here, so it's a nice travel size. Pretty large, and it comes with a nice array of colors. Let's look at them. Ooh, there's like a shiny, okay, so the first thing that catches my eye is this one, number 152. I don't know if you can see it. It's got kind of like a metallic sheen. It also has a nice sponge here so you can clean your brushes while on the go. And then it has a nice koi tank brush. I have already measured and pre-cut a piece of paper because I want to make a swatch sheet. I have the Ohu water brush pens all filled up, and I also have the Koi brush pen filled up. So I'm just gonna start making some swatches. I decided to only do the Ohu pens because the other pens from Hobby Lobby I think are the exact same pens. Let's do some swatching. Okay, so I just finished making my swatch sheet for the Koi Watercolor Pocket Field Sketch Box. That one right there. I was going to continue this video by testing out all of my watercolor brushes on the back of this paper, but this video is getting kind of long, so be sure to click that subscribe button and notification bell so you're alerted when the next video comes up where I'll be testing all of my watercolor brushes. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below any other watercolor video ideas you have. Share this with someone if you think they'll like it. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!